Potatoes usually bought at the market. It didn't germinate. Because sprouted potatoes cannot be eaten. So first we need to germinate the potatoes. Put some coconut bran or sand under a small basin. Put potatoes. Cover it with a thin layer. Just spray water to get wet. When the temperature reaches above 10 degrees, potatoes can germinate in 15 days. It likes cool climates, afraid of frost and not resistant to high temperature. So it is usually in spring and autumn. It is advisable to plant between 10 to 20 degrees. The planting container uses this planting bag. You can also use large flower pots at home. How convenient and how to come. Potted potatoes. The key soil should be loose and breathable. Good drainage. You can use 5 copies of the pastoral dug by the roadside, 2 pieces of decomposed manure, 2 rice husks, and 1 hay ash or rice husk charcoal. Simple mixing to prepare nutrient soil. The soil that doesn't form a ball in your hand like this, suitable for growing most fruits, vegetables, flowers, and green plants. Be careful. If a potato sprouts twice, well, we could cut it in half. Divide it into 2. Stain the incision with grass ash before planting. It prevents decay. If the potatoes are smaller, only 1 bud, then just plant the whole tree. Plant a tree according to the size of the container. A planting bag like this can only grow 2 trees. There are too many plants, and there is no growth space in the later stage. It's not worth the cost. They don't grow up. After pouring fixed root water, put it in a sunny place. It's down to time. After 37 days, the potato plants will grow for about a month. Has flourished. But it looks crooked. We can stick 3 sticks around the bag. Wrap the rope twice. This will not only allow the seedlings to grow on the statue, get better light. It also keeps the plants from making the balcony look cluttered. Day 54. In order for them to grow more and bigger potatoes later. Here the fertilizer is mixed into the soil for cultivation. Soil cultivation can increase the number of nodes of underground stolons. Not only can it increase the yield of potatoes, it also prevents the stem mass from expanding. Turns green when you see the light. Depending on the temperature and climate conditions in each region. After waiting for about 3 months, as the plant gradually turns yellow and wilts, you can harvest it. Open the planting bag. Amoy the soil. You can see potatoes one by one. Although it is not as big as what is sold in the supermarket. But there are many Christmases. After digging all the potatoes, the remaining soil, and planting bags, you can also grow other fruits and vegetables. It turns out, no vegetable garden. It is also possible to grow potatoes in pots at home. A total of 3 bags were planted. Harvested a big basket. Enjoyed the planting process. I also experienced the joy of harvest. Did you learn it?